Meaning of homophone.
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 Homophone. Homophone refers to a word that has the same pronunciation but different meanings as another word. Homophones can create confusion in written or spoken communication if not used correctly. For example, right and right sound the same but have different meanings. Understanding homophones is important for effective communication, particularly in the context of learning a new language. Therefore, it's crucial to carefully spell-check and proofread written work to avoid such errors. Overall, homophones are an interesting aspect of language that requires attention to detail and precision to master.